11:30. Take on a little tour out through the garage with the puppies. Little tour. So what, 4 hours of snow blowing gets us this. It's just this. Look at the puppies. Davey at Amerigas, be happy. Got the propane tank accessible. I'm happy. Puppies are happy. They can get out of the tack house for a minute. Keep this clear. There's the trailer. And Eastman hasn't been here yet. Still snowing. Shoveled the north side of the tack house the other day. Yesterday? The day before yesterday. Here comes the puppies taking a walk. Right, Hobby? What do you think? I hope while these puppies are out here, we don't have any avalanches. You can see where that's starting to crack right there. Plowed through a couple of those, got buried. And let's see, there's the tack house window, kitchen window. We got the series, the progressive series from inside. Be cool to put together a time lapse. All right. And when we make it over here, what's that, 3.5 feet up there? Haven't been inside yet. So, there we go. Puppy's looking for a squeaky or something. 70 Carter Street. There's the nest cam. Put some snowshoes on in a while. And maybe clear out a field of view for that thing. Oh, look. Windows. I don't know if you can see in there. Windows covered with snow. January 2017. Wow. What do you think, Javi? Okay. Back to work.